never seen me before, hi, my name is Yuki, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. What's up? How do you do? What are you doing? What are you up to? Is everything good? Is everything great? In today's video, I'm just going to be doing my makeup, and along the way, I'll be using some new products that I got in PR. Not all of these are new. In fact, most of them are not, but they are new to me. So I'm going to be doing my makeup today. So just come along for the ride. Actually, no, I've not finished my brows. I forgot to apply my mascara to the brows. So I like applying this clear mascara. It helps my brows get pushed up. You guys already know most of this stuff, so you know. So Fenty Beauty sent some cute little travel size items, and this was one of them. It's their primer, and I've actually never used their primer before, so I am excited. It's the Instant Retouch Primer, and it's just, ow, and it's just so cute. Look at it. It's just so cute. Oh my gosh. I think one pump should be fine, right? I mean, all I have on my face right now is moisturizer, so hopefully this layers well. Oh, it smells good. It smells like the foundation, actually, now that I think about it. I'm gonna use my Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation in Golden. Obviously, this is not PR, but I like these foundations. And I get asked about this brush from time to time. It's by eShow. It's their foundation F625. This is my favorite, one of my favorite foundation brushes so far, but this one I've been using a lot just because, like, ergonomically it just makes sense. The brush bristle angle, even this little dip right here in the ferrule, it's really good. Wait a minute, did I pick up the wrong foundation? I picked up the wrong shade, you guys. This ain't looking right, you guys. Oh gosh, I feel so silly. I grabbed the wrong bottle because I had like all of them just chilling right here. I'm actually in the shade Clove, not Golden. This is Clove. I needed to be using Clove. No wonder I was like, this thing is looking very pale, very casket ready. I'm just gonna layer this on top because I don't have time to now be removing and reapplying, so I'm just gonna get double based. Okay, so okay. I don't know what that was. Anyways, the Naked Reloaded palette. I got this a while back in PR, and the very first, the classic Naked palette, I never purchased, I never owned. I don't know what it was like to be in possession of that palette, but it has been discontinued, and Urban Decay came out with the Naked Reloaded. So the colors, I mean, you know, I could use like a few of the colors in here. Looking at this, it's not a palette that I would necessarily gravitate towards just because it's not really my vibe in that kind of way, with the exception of like 4 of the colors. So yeah, let's play with it and see what comes out of this. I'm just curious. My eyes have been primed. I'm gonna take this shade right here called Retro and just dust that all over the crease. Oh wow, there's quite a bit of kickback in this, which I was not expecting. Now, one thing that is tripping me out is the fact that these pans are so skinny. It's making me a little bit nervous trying to dip in there. Okay. When I have a song stuck in my head, it is stuck. Very stuck. And that was how my friend had me singing that stupid Aladdin song, Prince Ali, money. Oh my gosh. Ugh. It's not that Aladdin is bad. It's just that I had that song stuck in my head for so long because of my friend and her decisions. This brown one. Oh, sorry. This shade is called Endgame. Dun 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 dun. Wait, what? No, wrong show. Wrong characters. Wrong universe. Wrong everything. So here is Avengers Endgame. Wait, what? No, wait, no. It's not called Avengers Endgame. It's just Endgame. Y'all, I can't believe I really just called this Avengers Endgame. Wow, Yuki, wow. I'm stressing out. Here's the thing, right? I am more of a warm browns kind of gal. So putting ashy browns on my face, I kind of get a little bit uncomfortable, as you can tell. Yeah, just wanted to let you know that. I also got this Profusion Sapphires palette, and you know, she cute. She a nice little vibe, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna take this shade right here called Camel. I'm gonna actually take this up here. I just wanted something kind of orange. So I'm covering some of that dusty pink we had earlier, kind of. I went ahead and reapplied Endgame, which is this, hello, Hello? Okay. That one right there. Let me wait till the end to say what I actually want to say because I don't want to just, jump ahead of myself. I'm gonna apply the shade Burn right here, which is like a rusty copper. This is looking a lot like a look I just did recently. Also from Profusion Cosmetics, I'll be using this Cobalt Eye Define. It's like a liquid eyeliner and also eye pencil. I'll be using the eye pencil version. I went ahead and applied that blue eye pencil, and I also removed some of that like fallout that I was having with the shimmer. Trust me, the last thing you want is to apply concealer over any type of shimmer, under the eyes especially, because you will look crazy. This is not new, of course, but I'm going to be using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Amande. It's too close to my skin tone. That's the problem. Like if I was going for a more natural, no makeup look, this would be perfect, but that's not what I'm going for today. I did get some goodies from Laura Mercier, including their translucent powder. I have tried this before, but I never repurchased, and it was because I found a cheaper option, but now that I got it in PR, baby girl, we are good to go. I've forgotten how nice this powder is. I'm gonna use my Fenty setting powder. This is the shade Nutmeg. Back to the eyes real quick. I'm gonna be taking this shade here called, should I do Angel Fire or Reputation? Let's do Angel Fire, which is this pretty one right here. Looks like it might need some assistance, so I'm gonna be using some setting spray onto the brush after dipping into the eyeshadow. Boom, look at that. I'm sorry, I can't. This palette, girl, I'll just let you know right now, I'm not really feeling this palette, so there's that. For lashes, I'll be using the Kiss Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection in the style Camisole, and this is what it looks like. I still have a few more things to do before I apply the lashes, but I just wanted to start like getting them ready, putting glue on. This is fortified. I'll be priming what? Lord. It's called Prime Beauty, but I'm gonna be bronzing with the product. Okay, this one is in the shade Bronzeville. Ugh, I'm so upset. I wanted to try out the new Mented Cosmetics blushes that I got, and I had them somewhere else, so they were out of sight, out of mind, and now I've already set my face and it's too late. I actually want to intensify this blue. I feel like I've lost some of it. Another one of the Laura Mercier products that I got is the Face Illuminator in the shade Indiscretion. It is so freaking pretty, this highlight. Oh my flipping goodness. They also sent me another shade called Addiction, and that one is just so beautiful as well. But for this look, I'm going to be using Indiscretion, and like just look at how it looks, like wavy, just like maybe not that sound, but it looks, you just don't you just want to eat it? Oh my gosh, this feels so wrong. Like it should just be left alone. It's so like, I'm gonna apply my highlighter. Like it's just therapeutic instead of just jabbing it in every day like we normally do. You just lightly just wash over it with your brush. Okay, this is getting a little bit too weird. Let's apply this. That's pretty. I'm gonna apply some of it right on the brow bone. These are cute, but I don't know if they necessarily complement my eye shape. I got mascara. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Anyways, I'm gonna dip back into this very therapeutic feeling highlighter, okay? Let me actually apply my little dots to the lower lash line real quick. For lips, I've got these Out and a Pout lip trios from Morphe. I'm gonna be using this shade Caramel Nude or Caramel Nude. It comes with a lipstick, a lip gloss, and a lip pencil. I also received two others. The other one is Blushing Nude. Same thing, comes with a lipstick, a lip gloss, and a color pencil. And the other one is Nude Pink. So for the caramel nude, the lip pencil that it comes with is called Trendsetter. I'm sorry, like looking at this stupid mascara spot is really like annoying my life right now. Next up is the lipstick, and the lipstick that this one comes with is in the shade Boo. Okay, Boo and Trendsetter, I see you. I didn't want to use my fingers. And now for the lip gloss, it's in the shade Chill. I'm kind of liking this angular thing they've got going on here. So I thought the gloss would add a bit more color, but it's more on the translucent side. The gloss smells like chocolate. Okay, maybe not exactly chocolate, but a chocolatey hint. All right, you guys, this is the look. She's cute, except for the stupid mascara spot, but that's okay. In life, these things happen. We just have to keep rolling with it, okay? So this is the completed look. As far as everything I tried, you know, some nice little hits, a few misses, but some nice little hits. I really like the Fenty primer. I will be using this again. Not necessarily because it made my makeup look any different per se, but I just like the scent. Now I really won't know if this has a lasting power because I'm taking this makeup right off, but you know, when I'm gonna use a primer, this is one of the ones that I could use. This guy, you already know how I feel. Not feeling it. Probably will not be touching this again. If I do, it'll just be because I want to just try it again just to see, but yeah, no, not to be mean or whatever. I love Urban Decay as a brand, but this palette in particular just is, it's not my vibe. Granted, there was a lot of fallout, as I mentioned. That's not a deal breaker for me, but I think it's the color choices that weren't really doing it for me. And the shimmers, they weren't really as, what do I use now? Moist, creamy? Yeah, they weren't as creamy as I thought they would be. They were actually kind of a bit dry. Like I kept getting a whole bunch of flecks of fallout with the shimmer. And sometimes that will happen with shimmers, but usually it's because I'm applying so much to get pigmentation that it has no choice but to start falling down. However, with this, it was like 2 light taps and shimmer is everywhere. It's like, why? So it's because it's more like dry-ish kind of. When you do spray your brush after the fact, it does apply better, but oh no, it wasn't. They weren't really shimming enough for me to be like, oh, this is cute. I mean, it's a nice palette. You can see the colors, but yeah, I'm not really like, you know, like, I wouldn't spend my own money on this. That's just how I feel about that. This palette, the Profusion palette, it's cool. I mean, I only used one color, and that one color that I used served its purpose, so thumbs up on that one color. Laura Mercier translucent powder, you guys already know that is the OG, the Madame, the know-it-all Beyonce of the group of translucent setting powders. Not that Beyonce's a know-it-all. You know what? Never mind. Forget I even mentioned her because I don't want the beehive coming for me. She's a talented woman. We're just gonna leave it at that. This face illuminator is gorgeous, and the packaging, come on. This lipstick trio from Morphe, I do like it. I'm digging the pencil. This lip shade, I don't know how I feel about it. The lipstick itself, I think it's a tad, a little bit too light. I had most of my lip covered with the pencil, so together it just kind of created this like alternate universe color. Now the lip gloss, I actually thought I was gonna get more opacity from it, but it's more on the lip glossy, like translucent type side. It's the kind of lip gloss you'd be able to apply on your bare lips and your natural lip color would still show through a lot. But overall, I think the products do work well together. These lashes are cute, but I still don't know how I feel about them with my eye shapes, so give me a few more wears and then I'll be able to tell you. Yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. If you enjoyed this, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also comment down below in the comment section. Let me know how you feel. Let me know what you're doing. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know what you're gonna have for dinner. Yeah, what are you having for dinner? If you are not subscribed to my channel, please be sure to do so, and also hit that bell. Make sure you have all notifications ticked off so you do not miss any of my uploads. And you can follow me on Instagram. I'm at Yuki_, YOUKEYY_. Thank you so much for hanging out with me once again, and I hope to see you in the next video, Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye.